guys? This is Jay from Jay's Automotive doing another video today. Today I'm working on a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6 liter, and I'm working on this coolant water passage that they have on these motors, and it's actually going behind the cowl, and this is it right here. I finally got everything exposed. So I'm doing a video because the video I saw didn't give enough details on this. So as you can see, this is running into the heater core. You got to take these two off and unhook them here and here and here. But the thing is, this cowl guard sits up like this, and no video explained this part here. So this thing here, which is the cowl, basically had to be removed. And I found that it had these ports here. 1, 2, 3. And also it had a bracket that went to the top. What did I do with that bracket? Yeah, this bracket right here, it connected here. And it also went up under this grill in these two holes here. So once I was able to remove,
this is how you do it.
Oh yes sir, how you doing? Once I was able to remove this piece, I was able, no, these water passages, I was able to gain the clearance I need. So the intake got to come out, this cowl has to come out, windshield wipers and all of that has to come out. So once you do that, you can get access, and then you can get to what you need to do. So anyway, like, share, and subscribe.